Leslie Young wears 5 for Pacific Coast Shockwaves. Martin Curry wears 6 for Lake City Flyers. Wearing 7 from Chatham Gold, Jacob Coolidge. Wearing 8 from Chase Barisha from AFC. Bills Beaver from Cascades Flyers wears 9. Stephen Officer Wayne State Team Idaho 10. J.D. Moore from Eastside Steppers 11 and Robert Beck from Indigenous Trail Run wears 12.
On your mark.
Go, go! Let's go, Wes! Let's go, Wes!
9-10 boys, first semi-final here. First round. Albert Edwards, the third from New Orleans. Martin Curry from Lake City Flyers in the line singlet and Vigor Carter from Mexico Speed. 34 flat at 200 meters. Albert Edwards up front for New Orleans Metro Stars. Leslie Young moves to second Pacific Coast Shockwaves. Jacob Coolidge in the yellow for Chatham Gold. Jacob Coolidge and Chatham in the lead now on the yellow single. And Leslie Young Pacific Coast Shockwaves in the running. Coolidge. Here's 154 for Leslie Young, Pacific Coast Shockwaves. Jacob Coolidge in the yellow, Chatham Gold. Leslie Young. Young and the chase leader.